Got a new package out of the mailbox, Chet 327, P.O. Box 687, Callahan, Florida. Let's see what's in there. I already know it's flashlights, I just don't know which ones. The I1R2 EOS. It's a keyring flashlight. Oh, in purple, look at that. That'd match your bicycle. And that is the SR1 Baton 2. Got to review that little guy. Those are great hat lights. So I just did the unboxing off camera of the my new little purple SR1 Baton 2. Love these little lights. My favorite thing about them, they're lightweight and they clip on a hat really good. Here's one of my other ones. This is my Florida hat, and I keep this little light on it. The kids like to borrow it when they go ride bicycles at night. That's their headlight. It's hands-free. You put your hat on, and you've got a headlight on. So my purple one, it's just like the Desert Tan one. There is a flash sale on this one, the 29th. It is 30% off. That takes it from $69.95 down to $48.97, and you get free shipping with it. And there's a special deal going on the 29th where you can get 2 bandanas for free. You can get those without buying a flashlight, or when you buy the flashlight, you can go ahead and get those for free too. They've also got this little I1R2 EOS in Desert Tan. It's a keyring light. I'm going to try to open it from the bottom, that way I can resell it. I'm thinking about giving this one away at the end of this video. Watch till the end. I'm thinking seriously about giving it away. Anyway, that's what that little guy looks like in Desert Tan. It's a match set to my other SR1. Anyway, there's a charging port here. Kind of hard to see in this light. And there's a charging cable, USB, that plugs into the flashlight. And then that goes on your keyring. There's bright and there's dim. It's a great keyring light. Anyway, going back to the SR1 Baton 2, in the box with it, when you open it up, this little box is for keeping your batteries. Magnetic, watch this. You plug your USB in and magnetically it hooks up. There's a bag to keep it in, there's a lanyard. And when my daughter, she's 12, when she saw this, she said that's her favorite flashlight yet. She's going to try to lay claim to that little guy. And so on this sale, which starts on the 29th at midnight, that's tonight at midnight, the 29th, this flashlight is 30% off. They've got a whole bunch of others, and I'll try to show you some screenshots of the deals they have. Plus, if you spend over a certain amount, like if you spend over $99, you get one of these for free. If you spend over $199, you get one of these in black for free. And it goes on up. The more you spend, the bigger the prizes. Just came in from the post office. I have 2 packages. I have no idea what's in either one, but we're about to find out. This first one, Balto Vintage, Massachusetts Avenue, Washington, D.C. I am curious. Oh, it looks like a hat. Poulon Pro hat to match the Poulon Pro. That is pretty cool. Gotta figure out who sent it to me. And in the second box, SMFX John. Look at that, Born to Ride. I gotta figure out who sent that one too. Shout outs to whoever sent the Poulon hat and the Born to Ride, what you call it, a sign? Metal cutout. So of course we've got to take this out in the dark and see how it shines. I'm going to walk around the yard and show you some future projects that you can be expecting. I'll do a couple of shots, still shots of this up close, get you some good details, what it looks like. And then right after that I'm going to give you some details on how to win this little flashlight. I guess up first, here's some detailed shots of the flashlight, and then we're going out in the yard. Future projects that you can look forward to, no, not the cat, but I've got some boat motor parts here. That's off the push mower engine. I've converted the homemade boat motor over to pressure washer parts. Put a pressure washer flywheel, pressure washer carburetor. I gotta get that thing to the river to test it out. And this is on the lowest setting. Let's go up another setting. That would be the medium, and then this would be high. And if we double click, we are on turbo. That's 1,000 lumens. Anyway, I got a video coming up soon about the boat motor, homemade boat motor improvements, and I got to get this to the river. I'm supposedly going on a camping trip soon on this boat. And then on my truck project, I've been calling it my cheap truck project. I got a different hitch on it. I got a toolbox. I've got some floor mats in it. Other stuff that I'm planning. Oh, there's a spare tire in the back. Don't want to show it all right now because that's coming soon. I've got this aluminum boat cleaned out. I'm about to put it on a trailer. I'm actually redoing a trailer too. Coming soon. Here's the boat trailer I've been working on. I'm about halfway done with it. I'm going to show you every step that I'm doing to fix it up. And on the Poland lawnmower, I've got some rust-free rear fenders. They're the wrong color, but I'm going to sand them down, paint them flat black. I'll probably put some stripes on the same color. That is coming soon. Maybe someday you'll see a race mower, but I've got an engine for the zombie machines. It's over here waiting on that engine. I just got to get the pulleys pulled off the bottom of it. I'm also planning to use just pallets, and I'm going to make a micro camper to pull behind the lawnmower so I can go camping in the woods. At least that's the plan. Here are some general specifics about this flashlight. On the button, if you see a green light, it's 60% charged or more. Orange, somewhere between 60 and 10. When it gets down to red, it's a warning light. It's 10% or less. You need to find a charger soon, or you could decrease the brightness. It'll last a lot longer if you decrease the brightness. That would be on the actual button where you turn it on. Then it's got a dual direction pocket clip, fancy lens, fancy LED, magnetic base, that's where your charger hooks onto, or if you've got something metal that you can stick it to shine on what you're working on, like say you're under the hood of the car, stick it to the bottom of the hood, as long as the hood is metal. Squared texture of milling gives you good grip. And when it's charging, if it's red, it's charging. When it's green, it's charged. And then down here, 1,000 lumens all the way down to 0.5 lumens. They call this a moonlight mode. That one lasts for 8 days. You can put it in the water up to 2 meters. You can drop it up to 1.5 meters. Won't hurt it. In the box, if you order one, you get the flashlight with a battery included, a magnetic charging cable, a lanyard, pouch, battery box, and a user's manual. I didn't even show you the user's manual. Like 5-year warranty. Aluminum body, 1.8 ounces. When I've got it on the bill of my hat, it's lightweight. It's like it's not even there. Other than being really bright, it's like it's not even there. Anyway, go over to their website, check out their website, see what they have to offer, maybe get the free bandanas, and then come back and leave me a comment saying that you checked out their website, and I'll enter you in the contest to win this little guy. I'm thinking maybe a week, 10 days or so. I don't want to drag it out too long. Let's get somebody a flashlight. Back in the original box. Like it's never even been opened. And so other than holding the camera, I am hands-free. That's a lot of light out of a small package. Anyway, those are 5 projects. Let's see, this boat, the boat trailer, the cheap truck, the homemade boat motor, the Poland rear fenders, zombie engine. There was some, oh, micro camper. That's 7 projects. Let me know which one you want to see first. Which one should I focus on the most? Get done the quickest? I value your opinion. Thanks for watching. Good luck on the flashlight.